What's up, everybody? It's me, Crazy E. Double D-I-E, Crazy E from Big Boat Collectibles at 1400 Osborne. Had a toy show. Had a guy come in today asking for some, whatchamacallit, Inspector Gadgets, so that's what I'm gonna look for. Here's some records. This guy's got all kind of stuff here. Some Godzilla, some comics. Let's see what I want. I don't know what I want. I know you want some Inspector Gadgets, so I'll look for that. Here's some Game Boys. Look at that. Nintendo 64 Pokemon. Lots of Pokemon cards. Oh, wow. Oh, where everybody went. There's some art. There's some Star Wars, Masters of the Universe. This stuff here doesn't look vintage though, but it's retro.
Each bag.
This comic.
That's the guy that ran the one here in Burlington.
Yeah. He gives good deals. You know what I want? Oh. Horror magazines.
I know, I told him, but it's like, there's, you might know this. And it used to be I could do a batch invoice, so everybody that had 3 spots, I could, they changed everything, now I gotta do it all individually. Yeah, I gotta do it all individually, so it's like, so it's time. So now I gotta sit there and do every single person. And it's like, this is a bunch of bullshit. So and that's why people get upset or get anxiety, because I tell people, like, okay, I'm going to start at 11. I have your number 32 on the list. Well, each invoice takes about 2 minutes. So, you know, it's like, so people are like waiting to get that notification so they can pay us.
And it's all the way through the mall here, so tons of stuff to look at. And plus you got like shoe stores and every other mall store here. Custom Kings, lids. One of these days when I retire, I'm gonna be doing this, like setting up at the toy shows and stuff like that around. But I'm gonna flip this back around, get some of the stuff here that they got. What's this? they got? Cap Mercer.
How you doing today?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Pretty good. Winding down.
Yeah, I got here late.
We're here tomorrow too. So. Anything you look for today? Or?
Not really. Just looking around. Oh wow, that's cool. Masters Universe. It's that picture.
Anything catch your eye?
No, not yet. Well, I mean, there's a couple of them in here that do.
I can give you some pricing. That's just my starting price, so that I would probably do for them today.
And that's the Transformers.
I do 60 on that.
You take card or just cash?
Card.
Card too. 190 on the Masters Universe.
Let me open something.
That's part two.
Is that the amazing?
Yeah.
Probably 90 on that one.
That is all. You have a number one?
No.
No.
Yeah, that Masters, I could probably do, what I have, a 90? I could do 70 on it. Obviously, if you bought a bunch, I'd do a hell of a deal.
Number two.
This total on those 290 plus. So 300.
I'm back and making a deal here on some stuff, I think, on some comics. Oh wow, so good. We got that Batman. And then we got some Terminator. Iron Maiden. Pops. Lots of pops. Hot Wheels. So far it looks better than what it was in our store at Normal, but more Pokemon. Really not too bad either.
We're negotiable on any price, but if you want to come around, you can come around here too, take a look at stuff.
I might do that. I sold them then. Probably shouldn't have sold it that cheap, but I did. My bad.
Y le dieron dinero.
So he's got, anyway, I'm back again. People keep telling me my light's on, which I get, I know. Wonder. 65.
That was that guy and I was seeing with the store.
What did you guys get? Anything good?
Is there anything that you've seen that you would like?
Some comics graded down there. I was thinking about getting like
Yeah, that's. I'm looking for a little supplemental. So
how much is it?
this is all the job.
74.
What would it sell for?
You want to see it?
Yeah, flashlight's on, right? Pretty soon.
Oh yeah. This is me crazy. Just left the toy show and now we're at Chili's with my family. Gonna have some dinner, but got a couple things for the toy show. I'll show you in another video though. Till next time, crazy out.